Hi guys, this is Praveen Batula here, and in this video we are going to learn how we can scrape data from listing websites like Just Dial. For this video, I have taken personal fitness trainer as a niche that I'm going to scrape data from. So let's see. Let me just type this in Google. Okay. So I've opened the Just Dial home page. So here, as you can see, this is the fitness trainers in Bangalore. So we need all this data: this phone number, this address, this name, and the category, and a lot of data from this website. If you want to do it manually by copy pasting it in the Excel file, I think it's going to take a lifetime. So what? So I'm going to teach you how we can scrape all this data using the web extraction tool. Interestingly, when I tried to using multiple web scraping tools, but Justdial has created these phone numbers using SVG format. So to prevent web scrapers from scraping this data. Uh, so there has been only one tool that has actually worked on this website, and that's called Yellow Pages Scraper. So this is the website here, Yellow Leads Extractor. I'm sorry. You could download a trial version here. There's a paid version as well, and you can start download here. I already have this on my desktop, so I'm just going to show you how this works. So here I'm going to. So this is the website URL from which I'm going to scrape data. I just copy it and paste it here, and then I'll click here, go, and then it automatically loads the entire Just Dial page here on this screen. Now you have to go bottom of the page so that all the uh, listings are loaded here. If they're still getting loaded. Okay. We have reached the bottom of the page, and then now here there are like 10 pages. So all we have to do is just click on get data here. Now as you can see, all the data gets automatically extracted from all these pages. I'll just come down. I'll just show you the data. Okay. Now after scraping the data from the first page, it will go to the next page automatically once the progress bar is completed. See here, it's taking some time. You can see all the phone numbers are extracted here. That's what is needed. And you can see 100 items that have been listed. The data has been extracted from all of these 100 items. Okay, it's taking a lot of time here. Just bear with me for some more time. So this feature here, it auto paginates. It's there in the script, so you don't have to do anything manually. So it auto paginates and goes to the next page automatically once the first page is loaded and the data is grabbed here. Okay. Okay, now you can see the second page has been loaded. Just make sure that you scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure that all the listings are loaded, so or else the data will not be uh, saved properly. So let's go to the bottom of the page. So now that all the listings have been loaded, okay, it's still getting loaded. Okay, so now here we have reached the bottom of second page. Now we have to again click on get data. Now you can see 90 items have been selected. That means it has scraped data from all the 90 listings that we have here. I can, you can see all the address, city, phone number has been extracted from this listing. So you can do that for all of these pages, and that's how you do it. It's still the progress bar is showing, and then again it will auto paginate to the next page, and next page you have to click on get, go reach the bottom of the page and then click on get data, and that's how you extract all the data from the listing side. So now here we have extracted data for only Bangalore. You could do it for multiple cities, and that way you could build your target list, and you could use this. So this will be very useful for B2B marketers targeting local businesses. So for example, I have selected personal trainers. You could choose any other local businesses like saloons or retail stores, kirana stores, whatever it is. It's up to your business need. Okay. Okay. So now we have the data of two pages, that is 190 items. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop collection, and I'll show you how we can export all this data into an Excel format. Now I've stopped collection. It has stopped now. Okay, now I'm going to select all the items. It hasn't stopped. Okay, now I want to select all the items here and then click on export. Now I'll just dial listings here and then save it in Excel format. Here, this is the Excel format, Excel file that we have that has been exported. Okay. This is a category, this is the list. So let us see how many listings have been created. So there are 191 data points that have been extracted from those listings, and here we have category, business name, address, city, postal code, and phone number. You could initiate cold calling sequence here and reach out to these businesses. Thanks a lot for watching.